What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Chevy Trax. This is how you replace the remote battery.
All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote here. On the left side, you have this silver button that's right here, okay? All we're gonna do is push it with our thumb and then pull the emergency key right out. Now we're gonna work with this remote with the buttons facing down, and we're gonna need to pry this cover off, okay? Or split the remote in half. Now with the remote, with the buttons facing down, I'm gonna use a small flathead screwdriver, and I'm gonna kind of go into the place where the emergency key lives, and I'm only gonna put the screwdriver in here just a little bit, just the tip of it, and I'm gonna pry the remote cover off, okay? I don't wanna stick the flathead screwdriver like all the way down here to do this. You just need to push it in there just a little bit. You can kind of see with the cover how far you need to go. But once you get that off, the back of the remote is what holds the battery. I'm just gonna pry that out. I'll show you what size we're working with the new battery. Okay, so here is the new battery, and the size is gonna be let's see if we get the focus, a CR2032. See the positive sign it has right here? Well, that's gonna be facing down into the remote. I'm just gonna click that in. If you need a battery, check the link below. It takes you to Amazon, where you can get some batteries for like $1, okay? If you need a new battery. And then we just get the two halves, and then we put them together, and then we just push everything together. You hear everything snap. Then we can put the emergency key back in, and if it goes in nice and smooth, we are done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe.